This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on location services and GPS so the phone can tag coordinates. This is crucial because without a fix, the camera can't write location metadata. Next, open the camera app and immediately grant or verify location permission, otherwise photos remain untagged. Once done, make sure your camera format and timestamp are set. These settings affect how metadata is stored and read later. You should also wait for a clear GPS fix. Visible sky speeds up accuracy and reduces later mismatches. Now you focus on getting an accurate fix before you press the shutter, because GPS drift creates wrong coordinates. Hold the device steady and open any map or compass app briefly to confirm accuracy under 10 to 20 meters. This step improves precision. Make sure airplane mode is off and consider leaving Wi-Fi enabled for assisted positioning. Cellular and Wi-Fi help refine the fix faster than GPS alone. Then compose and take the photo once the GPS accuracy indicator looks good. Finally, verify the GPS tag by inspecting the photo's metadata in your gallery or an EXIF viewer to confirm coordinates and timestamp. This ensures future mapping works. If the location is missing or wrong, first re-enable camera location permission, restart the camera, and retake the shot in an open sky area to get a fresh fix. As a last resort, you can use a trusted EXIF app to manually add or correct coordinates, because editing metadata lets you salvage images taken without a proper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.